Hello and welcome back to the channel. Okay, so if you guys have been watching our channel for any time now, you know that we love barbecue, you know that we love cooking outside on the flat top griddle, and all good protein meals and stuff like that, right babe?
That's right.
Right, but sometimes you need to bring a side dish to the table. And if you've been watching our channel, you saw that babe just released babe's grandma's famous homemade potato salad.
That was delicious.
Which was fantastic. We'll put a link up above if you missed that video. And today we're bringing another epic side dish to you, a little creation that babe's been doing, and you get to say it, babe. Tell the folks.
Okay, so today I'm gonna do loaded, twice baked, mashed potatoes. We're not gonna put them back in the skins. We're gonna put them into a Pyrex. We're gonna rebake it, melt some cheesy goodness on the top, but it's loaded mashed potatoes, twice baked.
So instead of boiling the potatoes, babe is going to bake the potatoes. I'll show you guys a little behind the scenes. So she got the potatoes from the store. She washed them, scrubbed them, dubbed them really good. She rubbed them in olive oil ever so lovingly. She used a fork, poked a bunch of holes in the potatoes, and then she put the potatoes inside the oven at 350 degrees for about 45 or so minutes.
Correct.
Now that leads us up to this point right now. Babe is going to scrape the inside of the potato out, get it in a bowl, and then show you her magic on how she's going to make loaded baked mashed potatoes.
Ooh, they're so good, cheesy, and really fattening.
All right. All right. Stick along. This is going to be epic. And here we go.
So my baked potatoes are done. I cut them in half, scraped all of the insides out into a bowl. And now I'm going to add the ingredients to make our loaded baked potatoes.
And you discarded the skins.
I did. We're going to start with some half and half. You can also use heavy whipping cream. This is just to wet your potatoes down.
To wet your whistle?
Yeah, to wet your whistle. Next, I'm going to add about 3 tablespoons of butter because, you know, health. Let's add in 2 tablespoons of cream cheese. We're going to add in 2 tablespoons to 3 tablespoons of sour cream. We're going to add in as many bacon bits as you want. However bacony you like it. I'm going to add this whole bag. This is 2.5 ounces of bacon bits. We're going to add a little flavor to it by adding some sharp cheddar cheese. That's about 1.5 cups. And again, this is for 2 baked potatoes, so you want to make sure that your measurements match it. And you can also add as much as you want. And then you can take your potato masher or a fork, and we're just going to mix this all together. These are going to be a little bit chunkier mashed potatoes, so I'm not using a blender, a hand mixer. So some people don't like the skin of the potato. Some people do. You can load these into your skin and make twice baked potatoes, or you can just do it as the mashed potato side. Either way, it's delicious and a ton of flavor. So we have our whole mixture done. We're gonna load it into my Pyrex oven safe dish. You wanna make sure it's oven safe. And we're just gonna mash it down in. And again, these are a little bit chunky, which I like. This smells really delicious. And before we put this in the oven, I'm going to top it with some cheese, cheddar cheese, and a little bit of my gorgonzola. You can use blue cheese, but gorgonzola is what we had. And that's going to add a little burst of flavor.
Show the folks the lid. Yeah, there we go.
Okay, so let's get this in there. We're going to leave it in for about 20 minutes until that cheese is bubbling and everything is nice and warm.
What temperature are you going to run the oven at, babe?
I'm going to put it in at 350.
For 20 minutes.
For about 15-20 minutes. All right, so we're going to cut a little bit of green onion to top it off. We're just going to slice it really thin here. There we go. That'll be perfect. For a recap of our twice baked mashed potatoes. We did bacon, 2 baked potatoes, cheddar cheese, cream cheese, sour cream, half and half, and I topped it with a little bit of cheddar and gorgonzola. Final topping is going to be our green onion. These are going to be fantastic, great for any party, and a little less work than a full twice baked potato.
Before we take our bites, we have to roll our top tier channel members. We have a join button that is right next to the subscribe button down below. Along with in the description, you're gonna find links to everything about the show. But thank you to our top tier channel members. You guys mean so much to us, all of our channel members, regardless of the tier. You are the ones that make this little YouTube hobby of ours possible. Right, babe?
Thank you. We appreciate it.
Okay, babe.
Are you ready?
Yes, let's dig in.
This is gonna be cheesy goodness.
Hold on, I can smell the gorgonzola. I smell the green onions. I smell the potatoes. Let me show the folks, babe. Let me show the folks. Oh, come on, little camera. There you go. Okay, babe.
Ready?
Here we go.
Cheers.
That's really good. The gorgonzola was a good add. It was. I questioned it because it's kind of pungent, like blue cheese. That is a good add, actually. The potatoes are super creamy, although remember in the beginning,
fully mashed.
They're not fully mashed. They're more of a chunky potato, and you
Yeah.
remember she didn't boil the potatoes. She baked them in the oven for 45 minutes and then scooped them out like you would do a twice baked potato. But the bacon bits, the cream cheese, the sour cream, the cheddar, the gorgonzola, the green onions.
That's really good. Lots of flavor. Lots of flavor.
That's really good.
That's
You
a
pair
very
that
well
with
side.
like a fat steak,
Oh my goodness.
pork chop,
Yeah.
some ribs,
Yeah.
like brisket.
Nobody needs restaurants anymore when you've got
That
something
is-
like this.
That is good, babe.
Very
That
rich,
is
very
rich,
delicious.
very healthy,
Oh,
very, very awesome.
Very healthy. Yes.
Wow.
Yeah.
Good job, babe.
Thank you.
That's a good one. All right, you guys, make this. Super simple recipe.
Easy, delicious, packed with flavor.
And delicious. Oh, you said delicious.
Delicious.
Doubly delicious.
Times 10.
All right, we will see you guys on the next one.
Bye.
Bye.